Hey guys, this is your uncle. Since the last 4 days, I was so sad. I was so you can say in depression, and there are a lot of hustle there and a lot of deep pain that I got, and many people saw in my office what happened with me exactly, and everyone is asking the reason, but I was not in the situation to share the reason, and even also I don't want to share the exact reason, but the few things that I would like to mention here, because this is too important to reduce my deep. Exactly, the issue happened not from the my side, but it happened with me. I was not involved any unsenseful activity. I am fully mature. I know my position. I know my understanding. I know my designation as well in the office, out of the office, and my profession is too clear to help more pupils and to provide the better uh, self-service from my side, if anything will possible from my side. So in the same form of the conditions, I am trying to deliver my best always, but the few things happen. The things is not today I am feeling better rather than other dates, so that's the reason I am discussing to you. And even also I will share one video that I have recorded after coming from the court in the garden, and you will get a you will get some crucial information regarding this. But exactly I want to share to you all, my friends. I don't know you are getting the background voice or not, because I think this will be the disturbance, but please consider it. So exactly the campaign came about trust, belief, and my faith. So that I think I paid to someone, and but the person, they don't know the value. They didn't give me the I was not asking to pay me, but that I want to share that I given a commitment, that I taken a oath to someone to protect by uh, like carefulness and by the security full, and by prosperity, and by some other you can image that I want to share my opinion. So I was committed to myself. So I am ensuring the things in future. But what happened exactly? When I trust to someone, I will deliver my best. I will I will care always. And this is not the any connections commitment. This is the my pure heart commitment that I deliver to someone. But what happened in the modern generation, the modern pupils, they are not uh, like uh, understanding these things. Just they are believing on the a modern lighting the situations. They not knowing the pure heartbeat. And what happened with me when I found this was the blackmail with me. I can say openly this was the spam with me, and I hope no one will go in that situation, because this was not the easy situation that I felt to myself, and this was the first moment in my overall life that I experienced, and many people was helped me. But what about those people? They created the problems to overlooked these situations, and even I was not taking the properly energy drinking. Just I am remembering the situations, I am remembering the overall incident, and I realized it was the mistake that I trust on the pupils, because without knowing the background, without knowing the reality, the only word, the only face is not the sufficient to trust on anyone. It's not for the me, for other also, because I can't see the whole thing in this video, but I have recorded the few things that I want to play. And before that, I would like to mention what was my situation. Like in Hindi, I can say कि मैं तड़प रहा था और जालिम मेरे तड़पने का जश्न मना रहा था. And you can understand, even I was also one day in hospitals and in the medical room of my office, and the few people had helped me. I really appreciate them. I am thankful to my God, and finally I recover with this critical to much critical situations, and now I am capable to manage to myself. And I don't want to come to anyone in that period, because this is not the easy, this is not the likely, this is the totally upset and uncontrollable emotions. And I want to say more things, but I think I don't know this is the right or wrong, so that's why I'm not able to share, but that I recorded in the park, I'm sharing this video as well. Please listen, and I will come back after this video. साथियों, मैं हूँ अंकुल. जीवन कई बार कई ऐसी चीज़ें सिखा जाता है जिसकी हम उम्मीद नहीं करते, जिसकी हम कभी कल्पना नहीं करते. ये वक्त का ही तो साया है कि कई बार जस्टिस देने वाला जो न्यायाधीश होता है, जो जज होता है, वह भी कटघरे में आकर के और अपनी सज़ा के लिए, अपने न्याय के लिए वो हार लगाता है. व्यक्ति का जो जीवन होता है कई प्रकार की चुनौतियों से भरा हुआ होता है, और चुनौतियाँ इस कदर होती हैं कि उसे कई बार अपने आप को भी संभालने का वक्त नहीं मिल पाता. समय की मार जब पड़ती है तो सब कुछ याद आ जाता है. लेकिन मेरी तकलीफ़ ये नहीं, मेरी तकलीफ़ यह है कि यदि हम में से कोई किसी की मदद के लिए जाता है और वो मदद करने का प्रयास करता है या आश्वासन देता है, तो अपराध करने वाला या दोष करने वाला उसका जो कृत्य होता है उस बचावकर्ता के नाम में उस बचाव करने वाले के या उस हेल्प करने वाले व्यक्ति पर आरोपित कर दिया जाता है. चाहे व्यवहारिक दुनिया हो, चाहे कानूनी दुनिया, दोनों में सेम मेल जोल चलता है. दर्द बांटने के नाम पे लोग दर्द दे जाते हैं, हम उनसे उम्मीद कुछ और करते हैं, वो हमारी उम्मीदों पे हमें ही फंसा देते हैं. और ऐसा किसी एक के जीवन में नहीं, हम में से बहुतों के जीवन में होता है. समय कठिन है, अपने आप को संभालना भी है. इन बीते 4 दिनों में मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा. और सीखा क्या, मैंने वो एक्सपीरियंस किया कि कभी भी किसी की मदद के लिए जाओ तो उससे पहले ये अपने आप को तैयार करके रखो कि आप मदद के लिए शाबाशी के पात्र ही नहीं, दोषी बनने के लायक भी हो सकते हो. साथियों, मेरी इस बात को गांठ बांध लो. जब आप अपने करियर बनाने के लिए अपने घर से, अपने गांव से, अपने शहर से दूर किसी अनजान जगह पे जाओ, तो किसी अपरिचित को अपना भाई और अपना बहन या अपना साथी बनाने के लिए आपको कंगाल मत कर देना. क्योंकि यहाँ पे लोग सिर्फ प्रेम ही नहीं, यहाँ पे नफ़रत भी उड़ेल देते हैं. सालों का प्रेम एक दिन में भीगे कागज़ की तरह छिन्न भिन्न हो जाता है, और आखिरी पे कुछ भी नहीं बचता. यदि कुछ बचता है तो पीड़ा, असहनीय दर्द और सिर्फ वो यादें बचती हैं जो आपको तकलीफ़ देती हैं. इसके सिवाय और कुछ नहीं. इस अंक में बस इतना ही. अपना और अपनों का पूरा ख्याल रखिए. हमेशा अपने परिवार के साथ रहिएगा. किसी और पे भरोसा करने से कहीं बेहतर है अपने आप पे कर लीजिएगा. आप सक्षम और अपने आप को सबल कर लीजिएगा, किसी और की आवश्यकता आपको नहीं। Thank you for your patience. So finally, I hope my all colleagues and my all favorable pupils who was wishing me to come back finally. So now you got the all things that I would like to that I was seeing. And the second thing, also I am thankful to persons who gave me unbelievable supports, and I'm really thankful to my one manager ma'am. Exactly, she was not aware about my situation, but she uh, observed my my internal situations and my emotionals, and she gave me good suggestions. Even I was I think I could took some wrong steps, but she gave me finally a positive suggestions and few energies. And if I was saying anything, if I want to share anything about my 4 days that I spent in this period, guys, I have no word. I don't want to open the thing how pain I got, and how how I was the feeling on that moment. I think this was not in the word I can say to you. And I don't want to my little brother and the child who is coming in the city for study, for making their careers. But my kind suggestions to all: please don't trust on any unknown pupils, don't build any relations. Only you can trust on your family, on your real brother, on your real sisters, on your real relations. Otherwise, no one will be help you, and might be you will be spammed, and you will be face a lot of challenges, legally, unlegally, and might be you will lose your jobs, you will lose your positions. So these are the things. Without knowing the persons, don't share your own internal thoughts, your internal informations to someone, because these types of people in our society. And I think I'm not saying the person was wrong. I think uh, whoever, I don't take the name and don't take the any like a symbol, but I think the people watch not went in these types of situations. They can't observe, they can't feel. And I said also कि वो एक काली रात थी जब मेरे अंदर नागिन का जहर फैल रहा था। वो इतनी विषैली थी, मैं तड़प रहा था और वो मेरा तमाशा बना रही थी। था तो मैं पागल, जिसे अपनी बहन बना चला। मुझे क्या पता कि जिसकी मैं आवाज़ बन रहा था, उसने मेरा गला पहले ही दबा दिया था। अपने का कोई और मना रहा था। सो जिसे मैं अपने बहन की तरह मैंने रिस्पेक्ट देने का प्रयास किया, कमिटमेंट किया, उसने मेरा गला उस तरीके से दबाया कि मेरी आवाज़ भी निकलना बंद हो चुकी थी, मेरी आवाज़ भी निकलना बंद हो चुकी थी। साथियों, आई हैव नो मोर वर्ड्स। आई डोंट वांट टू शेयर। आई नेवर शोन माई टीयर्स टू एनीवन, but this was the period that I was unable to control my tears, and the few pupils saw there more. I think this was the sufficient. Thank you so much once again. Thank you so much my team, and thank you so much my uh, pupils who was helped me on that situations. I really appreciate. I am really thankful.